Did you know that as an approved Picmonic educator, you have permission to use any and all of our imagery and videos in class and your teaching materials? Welcome to our quick guide on incorporating Picmonic characters into your lecture slides. This is a fun way to add some visual appeal to your lessons, while leveraging associative memory mechanisms to tie your lecture material to the mental scaffoldings formed by students' pre-lecture Picmonic prep. This is a 3-step process that should take less than 30 seconds. Let's say you're putting together a lesson about warfarin. Step 1. Download Imagery. Search the topic you need and click to open it. Close the Play Quiz box and click through each of the key facts to choose the character you want. When you select a fact, you'll see a 3-dot More menu appear in the top right corner. Click this and then select Download Image. Note, if you don't see the Download Image option, you don't have an approved educator account yet, so please contact us at educators@picmonic.com to get set up. Next, grab the direct link to the Picmonic by clicking on the share icon in the top right corner and copying the URL. Step 2. Insert Image. Open your relevant lecture slide, select Insert, and then Images. From your Downloads folder, select the character, and you're all set. Step 3. Link to the Picmonic video. Click on the image or any text in your slides, select Insert Link, paste from your clipboard, and save. Your students can then easily access the Picmonic, and you just gave them a 20% discount on a premium subscription. For more information and to see how else Picmonic can help you and your students, please visit picmonic.com/educators or email us at educators@picmonic.com.